स्क्रीन शेयर कर दो, बैठो कर दो। क्या है
एग्जैक्टली करना है,
मैंने
इस पे दिखा के पढ़ाना।
बिल्कुल
ठीक है, गुड डे। रिकॉर्डिंग ऑन हो गई?
बंद कर बंद कर दो।
यू आर रिकॉर्डिंग, ठीक है। नाउ
रिकॉर्डिंग बंद कर दो, रुक जाओ, स्टार्ट तो करने दो कम से कम उसको।
ठीक है, नो प्रॉब्लम। ये अनम्यूट कर दिया आपने, अब वो सुन सकते हैं और यही चीज रिकॉर्ड बस। ठीक है, थोड़ा अपने रहना पड़ेगा ये।
स्टूडेंट्स आर यू ऑडिबल?
एम आई ऑडिबल?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes, sir.
स्टूडेंट आर यू एबल टू वॉच द स्क्रीन?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Your screen is visible.
Yes, sir. Screen
Okay,
is
students.
visible.
Okay, students. Now today we will discuss exercise 2.2. Exercise 2.2. Question number 11th.
Sir, 11th.
11th exercise.
Sir, 2.2. Sir, exercise 2.2.
ऐसे बनाएंगे, ठीक है, ऐसे ताकि
Question number
दिखे।
11th.
यहाँ ये गड़बड़ है ना।
Students, Baichung's father is 26 years younger than Baichung's grandfather and 29 years older than Baichung. Baichung's father is 26 years younger. Baichung's father is 26 years younger than Baichung's grandfather and 29 years older than Baichung. Baichung's father is 29 years older than Baichung. Let present age of Baichung be. Let present age of
2.2 पे हमने
Baichung be X years. X years. Let present age of Baichung be X years. Now students, Baichung's father is 29 years older than Baichung. Present age of Baichung father. B. X plus 29 years. 29 years. Now student, Baichung's father is 26 years younger than Baichung's grandfather. It means Baichung's grandfather is 26 years older than Baichung's father. स्टूडेंट यहाँ पे बाइचुंग की जो एज है वो एक्स ईयर है, बाइचुंग के फादर जो है बाइचुंग से 29 इयर्स बड़े हैं और बाइचुंग ग्रैंडफादर इज 26 ईयर ओल्डर देन बाइचुंग फादर.
Yes,
स्टूडेंट कोई
sir.
डाउट एनी प्रॉब्लम्स?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
No, sir.
एंड
No, sir.
present age of Baichung's grandfather B.
Yes.
grandfather B, X plus 29 plus
Sir?
26. 26 years. Yes, students. Students, present age of Baichung B X year. Present age of Baichung's father B X plus 29 years. Now, Baichung's father, grandfather, Baichung's father. So X plus 29 plus 26, that will becomes X plus 55. 9 plus 6, 15, 1 carry 2 plus 2, 55.
Sir, screen it not clear.
Screen is not clear.
Sir, what? Yes,
Okay,
sir.
students.
No, sir, it is clear.
Screen is clear. Sir. Students, screen is clear.
Yes, sir.
Okay, students.
Yes, sir.
Now, students, sum of the ages of all the three is 135. According to questions. According to question. Sum of all three, Baichung's father and Baichung X plus 29 plus X plus 55. X plus X plus X.
Sir, 3x. Sir, 3x.
29 plus 55. 9 plus 5, 14. 1 carry, 5 plus 2, 7 or 1, 8.
Sir, 84.
Now student 135. Students, 3x is equal to 135 minus 84. 15, 5 minus 4, 5 minus 4, 1. 13 minus 8, 13 minus 8, 51. Now students, we have to find out the value of x. To find the value of x, 3 is multiplied to x, so 51 divided by 3. 51 divided by 3. Now student, x is equal to 3 1s are 3, 3 7s are 21, 17 years. What is x? Student, what is x? X is
Sir,
present
17
age
years.
of
17 years.
Baichungs. Therefore, present age of Baichung B. Age of Baichung's B. Student, 17 years. and present age of Baijung's father be x plus 29 years. Now we replace x with 17, 17 plus 29. Now present age of Baijung's father B. Father B. X plus 29. Yes. Student, what is x? Is plus 29. Now student, 17 plus 29. 46 years.
46 years.
46 years. Now student, present age of Baijung's grandfather B.
Sir, may I tell?
X plus 55.
So 17 plus
Yes.
55,
Student, what is x?
72 years.
Plus 55. That is 72
Yes.
Years.
years. Student, any doubt, any problem in this question?
No, sir. No, sir. No,
No,
sir.
sir.
No, sir. No problem.
If you have any doubt, any problem, you can ask me.
Okay, sir.
Any doubt, any problems?
No, sir.
No,
Okay,
sir.
students. Student, now question number 12B. Students, now question number 12B. 15 years from now, Ravi's age will be 4 times his present age. What is Ravi's present age? 15 years from now, Ravi's age will be 4 times his present age. What is Ravi's present age? Students, first of all, we will consider the present age of Ravi. Let present age of Ravi be X years. Let present age of Ravi be X years. Students, after 15 years, what will be the age of Ravi?
Sir, 4x. 15.
After
Sir, 4x.
15 years. Students, now your present
Sir, 15
age
years.
is
X plus 15.
X plus 15. Very good students. After 15 years, the age of Ravi will be X plus 15 years.
Sir, x plus 15.
X plus 15 years. According to questions. Now student, 15 years from now, Ravi's age will be 4 times his present age. 15 years from
Sir.
now. After 15 years, Ravi's age will be X plus
Sir,
15.
4 into
That will be equal to 4 times his
Sir.
present age.
Sir,
Present
4x.
4x. Very good students.
Yes.
15 years. The age of Ravi after 15 years, x plus 15. That is equal to 4 times his present age. 4 times his present age. Now student, we will transfer x from left hand side to right hand side. That will becomes 15. That is 4x minus x.
Sir, minus x. X.
Now students, 15. 4x minus x.
Sir, 3x.
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 Very good students. 15 divided by 3. That is x. 3 5s are 15.
15. Sir, 5.
Sir, x equal 5.
Sir,
x equal 5.
Sir,
X is equal to 5. X is equal to
5. 5.
x is equal to 5.
4.
Sir, we have to change the direction also, na? Like x will come on the left hand side and the constant will go on the right hand side.
Now, student, what is the present age of Ravi? Therefore,
Sir, 5.
present age of Ravi will be
5
present
years.
age of Ravi will be
Years is 8.
present age of Ravi is present age of Ravi is 5 years.
5 years.
And after
Student, any doubt, any problems?
No, sir.
Oh, sir.
Okay, students. Note down 8.
5.
Sir, note down.
Note down 8.
Sir, I have noted it.
Sir, I
Okay,
have
good.
also noted.
Question number
Sir, I
30.
am also note.
Question number 13. A rational number is such that when you multiplied it by 5 by 2 and added 2 by 3 to product, you get minus 7 by 12. What is the number? Student, question number 13. You multiply the rational number by 5 by 2 and add 2 by 3 to the product, you get minus 7 by 12. What is the number? Student, first of all, we will consider a number. Let the number be. Let the number be. Let the number be x. Let the number be x. Now student, we multiplied the given number by 5 by 2. The given number is x. We will multiply it by 5 by 2 according to question. According to question. Students, a rational number is that when you multiplied it by 5 by 2, the given number is multiplied by 5 by 2 and add 2 by 3 and add 2 by 3 to the product. Students, we are adding 2 by 3 to the product. The result will be equal to minus 7 by 12. Minus 7 by 12.
12.
Student, any doubt, any problems?
No, sir. No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Now student, it will becomes 5x by 2 and we will transfer plus 2 by 3 from left hand side to right hand side. So plus 2 by 3
Sir, minus 2 by
into
3.
minus 2 by 3. Now student, minus 7 by 12 plus sign change
Minus
into
2.
minus sign, that is 2 by 3. Now 5x by 2. Now student, what is the LCM of 12 and 3?
12.
Sir,
12.
12.
12.
Okay, student. Minus
12.
7. How many times 12 come
Minus
in table
8.
of 12? 12
Sir,
ones are 12.
Sir, 4.
Minus 2. Student, how many times 12 come in table of 3?
Sir,
4.
4 times.
6. Sir, 4 times.
4 times. 3
4
fours are
times.
12. Now, students,
Sir, minus 7 minus. Sir, minus 7
5x by
minus
2 is
8
equal to
by 12.
minus 7. 2 fours are 8 minus 8 divided by 12.
Yes, sir.
5x by 2 minus 7 minus 8. Minus 7 minus 8.
Sir, minus 15.
Sir, minus 15.
Sir,
Minus
minus
15 by
15.
12.
Sir, x is equal minus 3.
Very good, student. Now, student, we have to find out
The
the value
x
of
equal
x.
to minus 15.
To find the value of x, student, 5 by 2 multiplied with x. To find the value of x, minus 15 by 12 divided by 5 by 2. Now, students, x is equal to minus 15 by 12. Divide sign change into multiplied sign, and this portion becomes reciprocals. 5 by 2 becomes reciprocal, that is 2 by 5.
yes, sir.
Now, students,
Sir, it become
5
1
ones
by
are
2.
5, 5 threes are 15, 2 ones are 2, 2 six are
2 6
12,
are
3
12.
ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, x is equal to minus 1 by 2. Students, therefore the required number B. Required number B.
X equal 1 by 1.
Required number B. That is minus 1 by 2.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Any
sir.
doubt, any problem in this question?
No, sir.
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
No, sir.
Sir, please turn the camera in right side.
I have done my right or wrong.
Right.
Student, any doubt, any problems?
No, sir. No, sir. No,
No,
sir.
sir.
Okay. Now question number
13.
14. Lakshmi is a cashier in a bank. She has currency notes of denomination of rupees 100, 50 and 10 respectively. Students, Lakshmi is a cashier in a bank.
Yes, sir.
She has currency notes of denomination. उसके पास 100 rupees, 50 rupees और 10 rupees के नोट है. The ratio of number of notes of these notes 2:3:5. Students, I have already discussed with you. If the ratio is given, we will attach x with the numbers. Students, number of 100 rupees notes. 100 number of 100 rupees notes are 2x. Number of 50 rupees notes are 3x and number of 10 rupees notes are 5x. Total cash is 4 lakh rupees. 4 lakh rupees. How many notes of each denomination does she have? We have to check that number of 100 rupees notes, how many, number of 50 rupees notes, how many, and number of 10 rupees notes, how many. Students, now we start the questions. Let number of 100 rupees notes. Let number of 100 rupees notes. Rupees notes. that is 2x, and number of 50 rupees notes. ₹50 note, that is 3x, and number of 10 rupee notes, that is 5x. Student, please tell me that if you have 5 notes of ₹100, then total amount you have. Student, if you have 5 notes of ₹100, then total amounts you have.
Sir, 400.
If you have 5 notes or ₹100, 5 notes of ₹100, then amount you have.
500.
Sir, 500.
500.
Okay, students.
500.
Yes, student. Now please tell me that if a 100 rupees notes are of 2x, then amount will be.
Sir, 200.
Sir, 200.
200x.
200x according to questions.
Kshitij, mute your mic.
Student, 100 rupees notes are 2x. 2x, not 2, 2x. Now student, 100 multiplied with 2x. Now 50 rupees notes are of 3x. Then amount will be.
Sir, 300.
150x.
750.
Hundred into 2x, that is 200x.
200x.
Now student, 50 into 3x.
Sir, 150x.
150x.
50x.
Now student, 10 into 5x.
Sir, 50x.
50x.
50 rupees.
50x, that is 1 4 lakh. Now student, 200x plus 200x, that is 400x.
Yes, sir.
It is 4 lakh. Now student, to find the value of x, 4 lakhs is divided by 400. Now student, x is equal to
Sir, 1000.
4,000. 4,000 divided by 4, that is 1,000. X is equal to 1,000. Now student, please tell me that what are the number of 100 rupees notes? Students, number of.
Sir, 100 rupees is
Notes.
equals to 2x is equals to 2 into 1000 rupee is equals to 2000.
2,000. Number of 200 rupees note, 2,000.
Yes, sir.
Now students, number of 50 rupees notes, that is 3x. What is
3x.
x?
1000.
3,000.
3000.
Students, number of 10 rupees notes.
Sir, 5x is equals to 5x.
5000.
Sorry,
Sir,
1000.
5,000.
5000. 5000.
That is 5x. 5 into 1000. That is 5000. Student, any doubt, any problems?
No, sir.
If you have any
No,
doubt,
sir.
any problem, you can ask me.
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
Student, any doubt, any problems?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
No.
Students, question number 15 as a homework. Now question number 16th. Question number 15, same as it is question number 14th. That is in homework. Do in homework. Now question number 16th is
Okay, sir.
the organizer of an essay competition decide that a winner in the competition gets a prize of ₹100 and a participant who does not win a prize of ₹25. Total prize money distributed 3000. Find the number of winners if total number of participants is 63. Student, total number of participants are
Sir, 53.
63. Total number of participants are
Yes, sir.
63. Student, let number of winner participants are number of winner
Sir,
participants.
number, sir, 36 minus x.
Let number of winner participants are
Sir,
x.
sir, 63x.
Total number of participants are 63. In which total number of participants are 63. In which winner participants are x. Then number of participants who does not win the prize.
Sir, 63 minus x.
Very good, student. Number of participants who does not win the prize. Win the prize. Who does not win the prize? That is 63 minus x. Students, now those participants who win gets a prize of ₹100. Students, वन विनर पार्टिसिपेंट्स को ₹100 मिलते हैं. हमारे पास विनर पार्टिसिपेंट्स x है, तो टोटल अमाउंट्स विल
Sir,
गिवन टू
100
विनर पार्टिसिपेंट.
x bracket close plus 25 bracket में 63 minus x is equal to 300.
Very good, student. Very good. Very good. Student, number of winner participant x and ₹100 given to one winner participants. The total amount given to winner participants 100x. Now ₹25 given. Who does not win the prize? 25. And number of participant who does not win the prize 63 minus x. Total amount given, that is 3000.
Sir, 3000.
Any doubt, any problems?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No,
Now
sir.
student, 100x plus 25 multiplied 63. 25 threes are
725.
5 threes are 75.
Sir, 75. Sir, 75.
7 carry. 25 6 are 150. 150 or 7. 157. Minus 25x is equal to 3000. Now student, equalize the carry together the like terms. 100x minus 25x.
Sir,
3000 minus 1575. 100x minus 25x. That is 75x.
75x.
Now students, 3000 minus 1575. 10 minus 5, 5. 9 minus 7, 2. 9 minus 5, 4. 2 minus 1, 1. Student, check it.
Yes, sir, right.
X is equal to 1425
Divided by 25.
divided by 75. 5 ones are 5.
so
5 fives are
75x is
25.
equals to 300
5
minus
is a 10,
140.
5 8s are 40. 5 5s are
1575.
25. Again 5 3s are 15. 5 5s are 25. 5 7s are 35. 3 1s are 3. 3 19. X is equal to 19. So number of winner participants, find the number of winner participants. Therefore,
Sir,
number of
19.
winner participants are
Sir, x is equals to, sir, x is equals to 19.
winner participants are 19. Student, any doubt, any problems?
No,
No,
sir.
sir, no problem.
Student, if you have any doubt, any problem, you can ask me.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.